Okay, next job on the project, cleaning off this pug, sanding it down nicely, giving the whole thing a sanding, both the subframe and the cowl, which will the cowl will take more of a sanding, and then at least priming, painting with primer, to stop it rusting again. Then I think the inside of the cowl and the inside of the subframe will get hammerite, because it doesn't have to be beautiful. And then the outside will get a bit better treatment, hopefully. So anyway, first thing to do, mask on, headphones on, and start sanding it down. It's been sanded, been blown with compressor, it's been sanded some more, it's been blown off some more, it's been cleaned off with panel wipe, it's been cleaned off with panel wipe about 3 or 4 times till the cloth was coming out pretty much clean, all ready for primer, another coat of primer, only to find I've got next to no primer left. So a lot of that would have been a waste of fucking time. Yeah, so I don't know how far this is going to go, but I'll probably do the cowl because that is bare metal, and then the subframe, which again has got areas of bare metal, and then the seat bracket if necessary, because that could just be hammerited. So let's give this a go, see how far this goes. So that was it, one brief coat. I have to panel wipe it again tomorrow night and get some more primer. Bloody hell.